In celebration of World Trade Month, the U.S. Commercial Service is excited to announce Export Week, happening during the first week of May. This is your opportunity to tap into the full potential of the Commerce Department's U.S. Commercial Service, a vital resource for boosting the export capabilities of U.S. manufacturers and service companies. With over 25 online options, Export Week is packed with sessions that offer valuable tools, resources, and insights to help you succeed in the global marketplace. Whether you're just starting to export or already an experienced exporter, you'll find innovative strategies and industry-focused resources to take your business further. Join us for Export Week and discover how the U.S. Commercial Service can support your global expansion. Don't miss out. Let's take your business to the world.